everybody. What's up? Welcome back. I know it's been a while. I'm so sorry about that. Let's get back to reading. I found this book at an antique shop. That makes me very old. I remember this book as a kid. I used to love the Berenstain Bears. And this one is called The Bear Detectives by Stan and Jan Berenstain. And then you see their little bag right there. It says The Bear Detectives. Let's see what they have to investigate. It says The Case of the Missing Pumpkin. Will they solve the case? Farmer Ben? Will he get his pumpkin back? The missing pumpkin? Where can it be? The spooky stranger? Who can it be? Papa Bear and Snuff? Will they be much help? Will the bear detectives get their bear? It's been a while. Help. My pumpkin won first prize at the fair. Now I can't find it anywhere. Do not worry, Farmer Ben. The bear detectives will find it again. Your prize pumpkin stolen, never fear. Great Bear Detective Pop is here. I will find it. You will see. Just watch my old dog Snuff and me. But Papa, our bear detective book will tell us how to catch the crook. Lesson 1. First, look around for any tracks that are on the ground. Don't waste your time with books and stuff. We're on the trail. Just follow Snuff. Let's see. They're looking for your tracks, and he's off on the trail. We'll catch that crook. We'll show you how. Snuff and I can catch the cow. Uh-oh. Moo. Say, look down there. Do you see what I see? There's a wheelbarrow track going by this tree. A good detective writes things down. Checked out a cow, white and brown. The track ends here. What shall we do? We'll look in the book. It says Lesson 2. Look all around for another clue. Huff. You can look around as much as you please. I'm going to follow these carrots and peas. And eggshells and corn cobs and other stuff. That must be the way. Let's go, Snuff. Munch, munch, crunch, gobble. Listen, Snuff. Hear that munching? That pumpkin thief is pumpkin lunching. Okay, thief, you munched your last. Your pumpkin stealing days are past. Look here, Papa Bear. We found a new clue over there. You see what I see? You see what... Gosh, it's been a while. Gotta get back in the groove. You see we found a pumpkin leaf? You found a pumpkin leaf. Just show me where. You found this leaf, then I will find that pumpkin thief. Uh-oh, the pumpkin thief. I found him, Snuff. Let's grab him quick. He sure looks tough. Be careful, Pop. Lesson 3 in the book says before you leap, be sure to look. Uh-oh, you see? Hang on, Snuff. Hold him right. Hold him tight. The pumpkin thief can really fight. Did you find any clues in the scarecrow, Pop? Shall we keep on looking or shall we stop? Checked out a cow, 3 pigs in a pen, and a scarecrow owned by Farmer Ben. Found some tracks and a pumpkin leaf. Still haven't found the pumpkin thief. Look, by the haystack I see something blue. It's the first prize ribbon. That's a very good clue. A haystack, the perfect place to hide. But the thief is right inside. Pumpkin thief, don't try to run. Your pumpkin stealing days are done. But Papa, I was just trying to say, I don't think the thief is in that hay. Ben's haystack is another spot where the pumpkin leaf thief is not. See, look over there. Look in the door. Pumpkin seeds all over the floor. He's in the barn. This is it. Oh, hand me the detective kit. I'll snap on these handcuffs. I'll take him to jail. Pumpkin thief. It's the end of the trail. Old stuff. This may be tough. It looks like we've caught a whole gang of crooks. Uh-oh. Checked out a cow, brown and white. Checked out a scarecrow after a fight. Checked out a haystack, 3 pigs in a pen. Put the cuffs on Farmer Ben's hen. Found some tracks and a ribbon, a leaf, some pumpkin seeds, but still no thief. Small bear, I guess you better look at what it says there in the book. Lesson 4. Here's how it goes. A good detective will use his nose. Pumpkin seeds, a pumpkin shell. I smell a pumpkin smell. Come and get your pumpkin pies. The pumpkin was pied by Mrs. Ben. That case is solved. Good work, men. The bear detectives have done it again. My dear, you and I will share the first prize. Me for the pumpkin, you for the pies. Alright, we solved the mystery. The pumpkin was pied by Mrs. Ben, Farmer Ben's wife. Well, I hope you have a nice day. Remember, be kind, be a good human, and have a beautiful day. Bye.